Alright guys, I'm gonna do the market recap for the day. This is how I lost $200 today. So I got a really bad headache. So on the hourly, where's my cursor at? Okay, on the hourly, we had all these stacked up draws and liquidity to the upside. We swept out some of this, making movements up. This is high resistance lows right here. Our strategy, we trade away from that. I want to trade up to these highs, but we are in this fair value gap, so you know, if we do see London sweep and then some form of manipulation down, manipulation back up, and then manipulation back down, I will enter. But I really think that we're going to go up here and take out these highs. That's what my bias was. And then we had FOMC meetings today at 2, which I knew that would probably make the market choppy. But I thought, it's a Wednesday. We'll probably be fine. Might be able to get a trade in. Maybe, something. I don't know what I was going to say. But I already marked out market open. Put it over to there. Okay, we get big movement up with a low right here, and then we have a low down here. So we're forming an SMT, 5-minute SMT. Okay. Now we form a 5-minute SMT with a break of structure. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go on the 1 minute. Technically, this should have been an entry for me, this candle right here, because we had a break of structure back down for a retracement, break of structure back up, and we broke structure right here too as well. So I wish I took that, but I didn't. It was still already in the market open, like 9 minutes. So I usually trade around 10 to 15 minutes into market open. So actually probably around 15. And then I most of the time take my trades around 9:55. So I'm waiting. I want to see another pullback down, maybe inverse a couple of these. And if we do come up here and take out London highs, I'm going to not trade today. But we ended up coming down here, breaking structure. I was like, all right, bet. Now I want to see an inverse fair value gap to the upside to take longs. And we have these. We broke structure on this. We still have that fair value gap. I'm like, all right, let's see it. We get this. 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 Okay, we get this inversion along with a break of structure. I'm like, dude, that looks pretty solid for longs, you know? But on this, we get the inversion right here. So I'm like, all right, this looks good. Let's trade on the more bullish bullish index. I was trading with 2, but I was trading on minis. So this is NASDAQ. I was trading NASDAQ, like this one. Forgot what it's called. Put my stop loss down here. Actually, I didn't. I put my stop loss like at the bottom of these candles just for a better RR. And if it came all the way down there, I wouldn't think it was going to come back up. So anyway, so had my take profit all the way up here. First take profit right here, just to secure some little bit of money. And we decided to stop me out. I lost $200, and that was the trade for the day. And then the rest of the day, we literally just chopped, like all day long, kind of like how I said, we just chopped. I actually did enter again, surprisingly, later down here, as soon as we inverse this fair value gap, just really small. And I put it to the bottom of this candle, and I was like, all right, I want to target the top of these highs and these highs all the way up here, and potentially London highs. I was like, all right, I'm going to do this. We come up here. I don't know why, but I got a really bad feeling after this candlestick. I was like, dude, what am I doing right now? It's 10:21, and I'm trying to take a trade. I hop out of the trade right here, secure $100. I actually lost 250 on the other one, secure $100. I'm only down like 150, 170, something like that. Not a bad day, but I am happy with how I traded. That was a good trade. It just didn't play out. I really thought that we were going to come out there and take out London highs, take out those New York highs, but we didn't. There's always tomorrow. risk management, protect my capital, down a little bit of money. But we had 2 winning days in a row, so a loss is totally fine. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.